me again, Mark, and I am so excited for this video because I am going to present to you or to bring you to one of the townhouse that is very big townhouse with over, I can say, with views. This is located here in Guadalupe, Cebu City, and it's very close to the international school. So if you have kids studying international school, then I think this property is best for you. The property has 5 bedrooms. It has 3-story townhouse and 5 bedrooms and 4 toilet and bathroom and a really large living area and dining area, and also with balcony for your view for the main bedroom, and you have a large parking lot. You have 2 large parking lot. And the good thing with this property is if you're looking for a property you want to pay it like 60 months to pay or 5 years, but you want to pay it without interest, I think this one is perfect for you because you only have to pay 20% of the whole amount of this property, which is 15.9 million, and 20% of it will be spot cash. That's the minimal because you can pay like 50% as long as the minimum is 20%, and then the balance we can settle it for about 5 years without interest. And I want to show you the property from here, from the ground floor. I did not park any car here out inside because I want you to appreciate the space of the parking. And let's go first to the outdoor. You have that very large and secure gate, which is sliding because you have to slide this one. And then let's go outside. This is the outdoor. This is the outside of the property. And that's the school. That's the school that I told you. It's international school. And out of these 5 townhouses, 1, 2. This is the facade of the townhouse. Can you show me? These are 5 townhouses, but only 2 available because we already sold that 3. Let's go inside. And this is what I told you, the very large spacious car garage. You can park about 2 SUV because it's really large, and maybe you can make that something sa front kay large pa man diri siya, so you can develop. So we will close this one. And you have this very solid gate. It's really solid, I tell you. Solid, good quality development, and you have this mailbox. And you have also this one. You have 1, 2, and you can also open this one, 3. You have 3 access because if you want to park there. Let's go inside. Let's try to check first what's in here in the ground floor, because as I said, this is a 3-story townhouse. So let's first check the ground floor. Look at how large is the door. The door is really large. Really large. Very large. And on our left side from the entrance, we have this. Can you show it to them now? Yeah. So that's like a storage room. This is a really huge storage room. You can put your things in there. And this is the car cover. And go inside. And this is like our welcome area. And I think this area right here, you can develop that. Maybe you can put some console table here. And maybe you can put a good painting here. Or maybe you can put something like vase or anything. And on this ground level, we have 1 bedroom, and that bedroom also comes with 1 toilet and bathroom because we are very concerned if you have elderly part away from it. Since this is a 3-story townhouse, so if maybe your old grandmother or grandfather, they are tired going up, and then we made a bedroom here for them. And this is really a large bedroom, actually. A large one. with toilet and bathroom also here. And besides that, I want to also appreciate the doors because the doors here are really high quality, solid wood. And let's go this. This is your main door, and let's close this one. And let's go to the second floor of the house. And you have this really large and long stairs. Let's go. And from here, we have this solid wall, open wall. You can put the plants here. And we are now on the second floor of the 3-story townhouse. And we have this really large balcony here. And maybe if I own this particular townhouse, what I'm going to do is I will put a large, like maybe dining table here, or maybe a sofa. Because you have that view of, partially you have the view of the international school, and you have the view from here up. Later on we will go up, we can see the Cebu Business Park, Cebu IT Park, and the Cebu City. We have the view of Cebu City here. This is the second level already, but if we are in the third level, especially on the main bedroom balcony, we can see this views. Later on we will go there. But first, we will go, this is the door of the second floor level. And still, we have a very solid door, and we have this large window, sliding window. And let's go first on our second floor. And this is our second floor. I want to emphasize the ceiling of this unit. It's really high, and of course, spacious living area and dining area and kitchen. Spacious kitchen. This is your kitchen. And on this floor level, we have the service area, and we have the common toilet and bathroom, and we have another one bedroom in this floor level. And this bedroom also comes with common toilet and bathroom. But before that, I want you to turn around so that you can appreciate the area. And let's go to this service area. I really like it here because it's really the airbag circulates well. And this is the service area of the townhouse. And this is the back. And I think this is the service area. I think you can close this one, and maybe you can make this into extension of your kitchen, or if not, laundry areas. You can put your something here for your laundry. And this is the bedroom, the second floor bedroom of this three-story house. And this is the bedroom here, and also comes with all toilet and bathroom. So I will not open it. The floor of the townhouse is not clean. But don't worry, because if you are going to buy this one, we are going to end this hole. Close that one. And let's go to the third floor of the townhouse. This is the stairs going to the third floor. And the third floor of this townhouse is like, we have 3 bedrooms in there. We have 2 toilet and bathrooms, and we have 1 balcony. So I will summarize first. On our ground floor, we have that solid fence, solid gate, and we have 2 SUV garage, covered garage, and we have storage room. We have 1 bedroom with toilet and bathroom, and as we go on this level, the second level of the townhouse, we have 1 bedroom with toilet and bathroom, and we have this powder room, and we have kitchen, large kitchen, and service area, living area, dining area, and a really large balcony with view. So let's go to the, I will close first this door. Let's go to the third level of the townhouse. Third floor of the townhouse. Picture. Okay, from this level, we have one regular bedroom, second regular bedroom, and we have common toilet and bathroom. This one, it's a common toilet and bathroom. This will be used by those bedrooms because we have here the main bedroom with one balcony and toilet and bathroom. And I want to check first this first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom of the townhouse. Huge, actually huge. And let's check the second bedroom of the townhouse. This is the second bedroom or second regular bedroom. And let's go to the exciting part. The main bedroom of the townhouse with balcony. And this is it. This is your main bedroom. And main bedroom with, because we have two doors here, you have your open closet, it's separated. But no lights, no lights. Baby, let's go inside. You have your separate walk-in closet. No lights, but it's okay. Let's go here with the toilet and bathroom. Toilet and bathroom of the main bedroom of this townhouse. I want to correct myself. Actually, we don't have the balcony, but we can consider this one to be balcony. You have the view of Cebu IT Park, Cebu Business Park, and Marco Polo. And that's the view. Thank you. So this is the townhouse that we are selling here in Guadalupe. That's the international school. And these are your views. Cebu IT Park and the Cebu Business Park. And that's the highway below, and that's the parking lot. So these are the view of your townhouse. Balcony. So that's the townhouse that we are selling. That's the front of the townhouse, and we are going now. That's the school. That's international school, and we are going now to the highway. And you have the view here of the Cebu IT Park. This is the highway. And that's already the highway. There, above. That's already the highway. Very near. Thank you. Bye bye.